Are you looking for reliable dumpster rentals in Bakersfield, California? Look no further. Summit Dumpster Rentals is your trusted partner for all your waste management needs. At Summit Dumpster Rentals, we offer a wide range of affordable and convenient dumpster rental services to help you manage your projects efficiently. Whether you're a homeowner working on a DIY project or a contractor overseeing a construction site, we've got the perfect dumpster for you. We offer various sizes to accommodate your needs, from small bins to large containers, ensuring you only pay for the space you use. We take environmental responsibility seriously. Our team recycles and disposes of waste properly, reducing the impact on the environment. Our friendly and professional team is always ready to help you choose the right dumpster size and answer any questions. We pride ourselves on providing fast and reliable service. Count on us to deliver and pick up your dumpster on time. When it comes to dumpster rentals in Bakersfield, California, that are easy and convenient, Summit Dumpster Rentals is your go-to choice. Visit www.summit-pros.com or call 661-370-0180 to book your dumpster today. Summit Dumpster Rentals, your partner for clean, hassle-free waste management in Bakersfield, California. Contact us today and experience the Summit difference.